Good morning. It is Trisha. I am the travel planner, and I am here in beautiful Paradise Point in San Diego. Beautiful resort. And I'm going to give you some packing tips. Everybody always asks how on earth I can pack an entire stay I did even a photo shoot this trip and everything. How can I pack an entire stay into one suitcase and one computer bag backpack? So I'm going to show you. So let me go ahead and flip you around here. And this is my Tumi. If you have been following along on Instagram, I did my favorite things around Christmas time, and my Tumi bag is one of my favorite things. Oh, that's the back side of my bag. But I have been a big Tumi fan for about 22 years. My very first flight attendant bag was a Tumi. I still have it, but this is a newer, later, greater version of it. So I'm going to put all of these outfits. Now, I have to say I probably have enough outfits for a week, even though I was only here for 3 days, because like I said, I did a branding photo shoot, and so I needed some extra stuff. But let me go ahead and show you how I do it. Very simple. See how I have everything in little stacks? Everything's kind of like material sizes, and so you get the gist of that. But I am going to set you up right here so that you can see what I am doing. Hopefully my camera won't wander. Come on, camera, don't wander. I apologize. I have my little tripod here today, which is not quite as stable as I would like. But let me go ahead and show you. So what I'm doing is I am putting like things into the bag. So here I have a sweater, my pajamas. They will go tight up into the corner. The next will be some tops, sweaters. They will go right here. I always put my big bulky pants, shorts, jeans, also right in the middle. And I like to keep the corners for some of the softer, more pliable options. So we're going to put this is a couple dresses and a sweater. And I literally am just jamming it right in. Now you might say, but what about when I get there? Is everything going to be wrinkled? I use like a Downy wrinkle release, and that gets everything out really well. Most hotels also have irons. I have not pulled out an iron in ages, but if that's your thing, great. These are just tank tops. Again, they go really tightly in. So we're really just using absolutely every square inch of this side. Now, have you noticed these are all the clothes, and they're only using one side of this so far. These are really soft, so I'm going to put those in last. These are just t-shirts. So again, these are great for their Downy wrinkle release. No, I am not plugging them. I'm not even paid by them. I just really love that product. One of the things that I used during my photo shoot was this cute little prop. You'll see them later in some photos. I don't want it broken. It comes from home. So what I've done is all of my dirty, undies and little unmentionables, I put them in the little bag that every hotel has in their closet for laundry, send out laundry service. I wrap it in there. I'm filling this in so that there's no space unused. This is going to go right here because it's not touching the outer edge of the suitcase. It is still right in the middle of all this softness and goodness. So I know when I get home, it's going to be perfectly fine. Around it, I will take these nice light sweaters and roll them right on in. Now remember, this is my way home. I'm on my way home, so I really don't care so much about wrinkle and stuff. But on your way there, of course, like I said, you can take care of that once you get there. So now you can see absolutely every piece of my clothing has fit. Now you're wondering, where's my socks, underwear, all that stuff? That is in this handy dandy zipper compartment. And in this zipper compartment, you can just kind of, nothing's folded really nice, it's just kind of shoved in there. And you can even that out. And we're going to zip it all up. Don't be afraid to fill it. Everything's in there. Now, on this side of the suitcase, Let me make sure we're still in our screen here. Awesome. So, on this side of the suitcase, it's going to be shoes, toiletries. Very simple. So, I've got a couple of heels we're going to shove up into the sides. They don't have to be right next to each other. Nobody cares. And flip-flops like to go down into the side too. You notice I do have a little side pocket in here. Sometimes that's where unmentionables will go as well. I'm not using them this time. These kind of shoes, flats, we're going to shove right into each other. So they get real slim into the sides. I have my toiletry bag. And actually, I'm going to just shove that right there. Put it like that. Use your science. This is the bulky side of the bag, this one's not. So put the bulky side towards the middle so that you can close it. Got my curling iron. We're just going to shove right on in there. Sometimes in the middle is really good too. Every time is going to be a little different. Got a brush. Another little toiletry bag. Of course, my little Timmy bag. Have to matchy. Look at how much room I still have. I still have room to play. So, on this particular trip, I'm going to be in a conference room all day long. So I'm wearing one outfit, and then I'll have another outfit that I need to change into later today. So I'll just set that right here. So then when I get my bag back from the bellhop at the end of the conference, I'll have that outfit, and the outfit I'm wearing will go right in there. So this all zips up. Still so much room, look at that. And we zip it all up. Voila. Done. Now, I'm sure you want to see my carry-on. That is also carry-on, by the way. I don't check luggage. I just try my hardest to never have to check any sort of luggage. That's the old flight attendant in me. Less is more. But this is, as I mentioned in my favorite things, my other favorite bag, which is my e-bag. This is an e-bag laptop bag. So not quite as big as the one I have for my kids, which is a Weekender Junior. That one opens up like a suitcase. It's so cool. But this one is more of a briefcase style bag. So in here, I have a compartment I have my glasses in there. I have my Bose headsets in there. The plug to my computer. All that goes right up front in its own compartment. Let me use two hands for that. And in the front flap, this is kind of like my wallet. I kind of call it my wallet. I've got spots for, credit cards, checkbooks, keys, business cards, pens. This is all that. My mouse for my laptop's in here. Just random stuff. Anything that you need quick access to is right in there. There's also a little pocket right in the front. I'm not even using it right now, so I'm so not really maximizing all the space in this bag. There's so many different compartments. The next compartment is, I have my camera equipment. Just shoved down in there. Some extra pockets just in case if I need a notebook or anything like that. That's where my camera's going. And in the back is the laptop side. So I have notebooks, reading material, my laptop, which is right there, will go right in there. What I love about this bag, and there's also a pocket on the side for phones, water bottles, things like that. What I love about this bag is it is a backpack, but also it has this nice little sleeve, so it will fit right over the handle of my roller suitcase. So if I don't feel like wearing a backpack, it just becomes an attaché, and it is like a briefcase that I can attach to my luggage and keep it really streamlined. So with that, thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed these tips, and if you did, like below, and make sure you're checking out my favorite things on Instagram. They are in my Instagram highlights at the Travel Planner. And thanks so much, and hopefully I'll make some more of these videos for you so that you can learn some travel tips. Thanks. Bye-bye.